Tilt Trading with today's Ethereum live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. So Ethereum got my attention today on the daily chart. This is here on the daily. This is yesterday's candle right here. And today's candle broke out below this candle. And we can see that a bit more clearly here if we go into the 60-minute chart here. So this candle here, I believe this one here, yeah. So this candle here is the low of yesterday here. Actually, let's go up on the, yeah, we'll keep it here because there are two lines that are together here that'll be confusing. But this is yesterday's low, and we can see within an hour we get a break below yesterday's low, and then if we come over a bit, we can see additionally we get price action coming below yesterday's low. So seeing this breakout, this gets my attention for a potential short trade just based on probabilities. If a currency pair or any financial instrument trades in a direction, probability is just going to continue, or higher probability it would continue in that direction is what this trade idea is based off of. And then we'll come up here on the 15-minute. So on the 15-minute, this is what I'm seeing here, and this is the 60-minute here. As far as in what we're seeing for a range, what I'm using as a range here. So using this 60-minute as a range was a mistake this morning for Bitcoin. I actually want to focus on using the 15 during the trading window that I actually use. I've been working on adding another trade to my system, but it wasn't working out very well, and I lost confidence in the 15. But this morning, reinstilled my confidence in the 15 for the part of the system that have actually worked out, and I'm just going to stick with this as the complete system. But this was the levels on the 60-minute. These yellow lines that you're seeing here, this is the opening structural range for my trading window on the 15-minute. This, what you're seeing here, this is the low, yesterday's low, and also currently the strong high based on this candle here on the trade. So these are two lines here. So we can see that Ethereum sold off right at yesterday's, or was unable to break back into yesterday's range and sold off here. We'll let my platform reload here. Is to use a range in order to set for targets. So in error of using the 60-minute, I got into a Bitcoin position a little later than I wanted to, but it's still working out. This larger range here was put in, even though I was actually able to take an entry off of a smaller range. So this range being within this range here, as far as in how I based my target, I'm basing my target off of this range and have based my entry and stop loss off of this smaller inside range. And I'll walk you through that here just now. So what happens this morning within my trading window is that we get, what is this? This would be a break of structure. So we have Ethereum in a downtrend, and then with this being the opening structural range right here, being set here and here, we can see a test of the range here, and then here we get a break of structure here. So to me, this would signal the potential for a continuation of more selling. So when this starts to buy back in to the range, I'm looking at this as pullback, and then for potential for a continuation of price action lower. And with that, having the Fibonacci level up from the point of the breakout. So here, this initiates the break of structure. So I want to set my Fibonacci or at least set my limit order for entry here on the Fibonacci retracement tool at 79. And this is where I'm actually able to get an entry. We can see that price does come up to test the range here, but the range holds. And then this purple line, this is where the current strong high is, which represents where the peak of buying and where the sellers took over. And this orange line that you're seeing here, this is yesterday's low. So we can see how price action fails yesterday's low, and then we get this selling that comes in and start to get some displacement here, and now we're finally starting to get some pullback. But I'll show you where my stop loss is. So my stop loss, this is the order. So stop loss is here just above this candle. So there's a 2-cent spread on Ethereum. So I gave it, there's a 2-cent spread on Ethereum. So I gave it 2 cents. Or is there a 1-cent spread? Yeah, there's a 1-cent spread on Ethereum. So I gave it 2 cents, and stop is at 26.21.44, with this high being 26.21.42. And then I went over my entry, and then my target is based on this larger range here. Here on the 60-minute that was put in, and my target is when I look at these ranges, and I started doing this intentionally today with all of the trades, or at least I'm going to experiment with doing this with all of my trades going forward. But basically taking the range and then doing looking for profit targets 3 times the range. So with doing that, it set this profit target. We'll come down here on the daily. So it set this profit target on Ethereum to target here, this candle here. And there'll be liquidity down here. So there'll be sell side liquidity down here for anyone who went long into this area. So my trade idea is that a large institution may want to target this sell side liquidity zone, or this liquidity pool that's down here. So this is what I'm seeing on Ethereum today. Selling, definitely looking weak on the daily chart, and I am targeting this low down here to take profit. So we'll see if we can have a market structure shift here on the daily here on Ethereum. But this is on tilt trading with today's Ethereum live crypto market and pre-trade strategy. We'll see you next time.